I'm gonna explain a little bit on what was going on here. So the flex plate, I didn't know if we left the ring in there or left it off. I left it off. Well, I put it on and then I took it off just because I didn't know. So everything's all done and mounted up, and on the transfer case, when I took the transmission out last, I put thread locker on the nuts just because I've seen problems with them coming loose or falling out. So I'm gonna have to thread locker them into the transfer case, and then I'm just gonna use blue thread locker this time on the nuts, just so that it's a lot easier for next time. Other than that, pretty much everything else has gone smoothly. This truck does have a gear vendor. I have not yet got it to work yet, and this is the old one. A couple things I had to rob off of it was the rubber grommet for that, and the other transmission came with the bracket there, which is fine because the original one on here was all stripped out anyway. Oh, transmission cooler. It is 100% blocked off, which is a real huge pain because I was really looking forward to getting this thing on the road again. But I'm just gonna order a standalone kit and put it in the spare tire rack. But yeah, it's been a long day, but a lot of progress, and the camera battery's about to die, so I don't know how much of this is gonna get recorded. But we're just gonna persevere and see how it goes. camera died before we got it all finished put back together, but she's put back together and brought back home. So next step is I'm gonna get the transmission cooler ordered and see what we have to figure out for all that stuff. But it's done. She's back. Didn't even bother to try starting her or anything. Just winched her onto the trailer and brought her home, just so that it's not sitting over at the guy's shop. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.